What's up, CN squad? From a see my face, I don't know say I your girl CECE the right here. So I'm from on the see by the title. Me never want to talk about that. Before me get any further, I want to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Put it on all. Comment down below. All of the Team CECE fans there, make sure you watch the ads. Watch out the video till the end. All of the people that may say Team Nathan, don't just stop and just roll over the Team CECE. You understand what I mean? Yeah. Because I'm going to drop right now. I'm not ask you if this not go epic. I'm not ask, and remember, put the bell on all guys. Comment as much as you can to get a shout out in our next video, guys. You see me? Yeah, we are on our way to 19k, guys. Share our video. Please, me I beg you just, as I get the notification, drop a like, leave a like and comment down below. Watch out the video till the end, guys. You see me? Yeah. CECE and Nathan, they are back. Yeah. So basically what me I go do, me I go tell Nathan say me and him friend have that something there, do that something there. Yeah, have sex. And me I go tell him say me give him me not call it. Me tell him say me give him that something there. Make sure you say no watch out the video now, guys. Cause I'm not ask if this not go. Me not ask if this not go epic, you know. You see me? Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna set up the camera. Just watch what I go. Just watch how your girl go to work. As me said, the Team Nathan fan them. Just roll come over Team CECE. You see me here? Cause I'm me around the place. Remember for watch the ads, go over to my channel. Watch the ads, like, share, comment and subscribe, guys. And big up on yourself and watch out the video. Guys, remember, like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the bell. Hit the bell now, hit the bell. Me I go do like. You know what? Yeah! Me I go do like. You know that type of way there, like you're frustrated? Yeah, me I go do like that way there. Yeah, big look. You know what?
Kalisha,
Yeah.
what you do down here, so?
We are going to far.
What you do down here, so?
I walk. We are going to far.
You youth there like that come stand up like you, mad enough. What you do down here, so? Kalisha, right now, I can't bother with foolishness. I'm bother come on the foolishness right now.
We do foolishness, Nathan. To come down here, sir?
Alright, what you do down here?
Just have one heap of things for my head when I need things. Right now, I'm
What you need to do? You need to come here and stand up in the sun like you know sense.
Nathan, I have a lot of things for my head.
What they pay more than a year?
I'm not talking about here being stress right now. I have to come down and so come walk and so.
What I can do?
You don't understand. Yeah.
Yo, I can't bother with, yo, Beijing, come go. Come go, man. What you do down here, son? I can't talk about you. What you have for your head? Come go.
I can't go up there now. I have to release it off from my head.
What they what? What? What you have to release? But man, talk no man and come and move out of his son. For a morning, yo.
So you move for?
Me want to move out of his son. What? Nobody come make us a face, Mr. Kalisha. What? to the point no man and stop bend up your face.
I'm sorry, B.
Talk.
We are push off my answer for B.
Kalisha, right now me too much time from my God.
Me stay night because you not understand. Me say me stress. You not
What
care
stress
about
you?
me.
What stress you? Nothing that stress you?
What you mean if not what stress me?
What is stress you?
You not stress me stress and I come and I walk up and down in the hot sun.
I'm mad, you're mad. More stress.
I have something to tell you.
To talk now you have to come here to tell me something.
I just come and I for cool out here and just
Cool out in the sun.
make up my mind. I have to come and to make up my mind.
Kalisha, come out of the sun and come on.
Alright, let me tell you.
Me I have to do a video from yesterday you come and you're there so. Boy you're in the sun, stand up.
B. Me.
Talk no man.
Alright. Me and one of your friends they have sex.
Oh. Yeah, yeah.
And,
Yeah,
and the next thing,
you know no sense.
serious.
Come like you're sick in the head and you say it. Talk. Talk no man. And stop running.
We are walk up and down so far.
Talk no breaking. I'm gonna get to go about my business.
And me give him head.
What? This is fucking mad. Yeah, you that?
I truly be.
A joke you run.
I did for tell a long time but me
Who?
can't tell her because I don't want you to go to
Who?
him.
Who?
Me can't.
Tell me a who.
Because I don't want you to go to him.
Me want to know a who.
Me sorry, B.
Me no business about sorry. Tell me a who. You come freaking make no face to tell me that my you. Tell me a who. Who?
B.
Who? You're freaking looking and bend up your face like, I want to you man. You feel like I'm sorry for you? Me no business about you sorry you.
You know after you go and
You
say
come
B,
down
at
here, sir,
least,
and that you come down here, sir, stand up in a freaking sun for.
at least
and
me
call
have
man
the
down
heart
here.
to
Yo,
come to you and
me no
tell
want
you,
no heart
B.
to come to nobody and tell nothing, man. To you, a fool you think, man, for you.
What kind of fool am I to take up a fool?
Yo, come here, baby.
Nathan,
Mike, stop
so you
calling
just
me,
go walk out for me and me I tell you the
Mike,
truth?
stop calling me, no, brother.
Look here, no
Me
be
nah come back
sorry.
there, this stuff.
It's sorry.
Me no business.
Me sorry.
Me no business, Reggie.
Guys, remember, like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Make sure so you put it on all. Trouble. Remember, like, comment, share and subscribe. We are on the road to 19K, guys. Want to share our video as you get the notification. Drop a like, comment down below. Comment as much as you can to get a shout out in our next video, guys. Remember that we are open for promo. On the eat we up for the cheap promo. We are gonna make over back one promo list, so yeah. Wayne gone. Awesome. I say video day for long. Guys, let's see I get back to you.
Excuse that right now, man, and just be yourself, man.
Over build yourself. Eh? How you feel?
You should just leave me alone.
I'm sorry. You never know so that would have happened, but you know how my loyal to you.
Excuse.
You're not talking to me?
No, you're not talking right now. I'll mix your own tea.
You're not mix with tea for me just because I tell you that.
See water there, a little bit of water.
How you feel?
No, yes, sir. No, I feel one.
Tea more.
Excuse that now?
Eh?
That would have never happen, man. Come out of mine. Coffee tea, me.
Tea more.
Tea nothing.
So guys, remember like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell because when you see when boy get pranked, if you do it no long and we don't get no good reaction. But you know, me I come back again. I'm not stop, yes, so remember, big up on yourself and watch the ads. Comment down below.